This is not just a table, it is my study table and it is connected to my dreams. Hello everyone, today is day 44 of my English speaking challenge, and today I am going to share with you about study tables. So I have a small study tables, and my study tables looks like very cool because in the on the study table there are some graphics are created. It makes cool, and in my study table there is a extra space for a glass of water and extra space for holding the mobile phones. And the height of the my study table is approx 15 to 20 centimeters, and it looks like very cool. And I this is a this is portable study table like this. Uh, I can take this study table and go to the my bed, and after that I can read on that study tables. I use my study tables for a study purpose, and there are too many types of study tables also present in the market. According to your need, you people's buy study tables. I have the small one, but those who wants to study with the study table and chairs, they buy a study table at much bigger size, and the size of that study table approx 2 to 3 feet, and the height of the study table is also approx 2.5 feet, and that is made up of wooden and some of plywoods, or sometimes it's a metallic body, and it depends on person to person what they want to buy, or what they want to like to have a study table. So a study table is a very essential for students, so that students can get connected to a study table and study on that table. And when you study at a particular place, then when you go to that place, you feel like I have to now study. So your mind focus on the studies, not at other place. So it's a benefit for study tables. So if you want to buy, you can buy your study table for a study purpose, and you can study on your study tables like me. And the first word is focus. Meaning of focus is to concentrate on something. And the second word is goal. Uh, Meaning of goal is you want to achieve something. So today I learned these two words. And uh, if you are a beginner, then you can practice like me. Like you can speak English every day, at least 1 minute, but you don't skip the practice of English. When you are uh, when you are speaking, then your mouth and minds are getting addicted to the English words, and in after some times of practice, you, you can see your changes in English. So that's it for today. See you guys in next video.